Hello everyone. All the best for your exams. Please don't get panic. You revise whatever you have read now. So I'm going to tell some basic points that you have to follow in your examination. Firstly, main important is time management. Okay. Mainly for the first paper, that is basic science. Since in basic science you will be having 20 questions, so nearly you will be having like 20 questions to answer, 25 mark questions. Okay, so you have to write it in a faster manner from the beginning itself. So you have to take at least 8 minutes per question. Okay, 8 minutes per question. If you calculate like this only, you will be able to finish the paper within the time. And write minimum of 2 to 3 pages per question. Okay, no need more than this 2 to 3 pages also. If you know a question very detailedly everything, just jot down the important points, because at last you will not be having time to write the other questions. So please do not waste time by writing like 10 pages for a initial starting of the initial questions and all. And please do not decorate for the initial questions. First you try to complete every questions that within this 2 to 3 pages and within this 8 minutes of time. Okay, paper 1 will be tough in the time management, so kindly concentrate. Please do attend all the questions. Okay, do not leave any questions. Okay, next, coming on to the paper 2, paper 3 and paper 4. For you will be having 2 15 mark questions, so write 10 to 15 pages for 15 mark questions. And 4 pages for 7 mark questions. 4 to 5 pages will do for 7 mark questions. So complete this 15 mark questions. There will be 2 15 mark questions. So complete this 15 mark questions within 1 hour and 15 minutes. Okay, within 1 hour 15 minutes try to complete this. Then only you will be having time to write the next 7 mark question. There will be 10 7 mark questions. So you need to use at least 10 minutes per question for this 7 mark question. Okay, then only you can finish it within 1 hour 45 minutes. So try to complete this 15 mark within 1 hour 15 minutes and this 7 mark question within 1 hour 45 minutes. For that you have to write it each question at the rate of 10 minutes per question. Okay, so most of the questions will be repeated, so do not get panic. So most of the questions will be your important questions only like 30% of the question will be new to you. I mean, it will be also known question only, but they'll change the method of asking the question only, that will be the different. So please do not get panic. If you forget 1 or 2 points while writing down your answers, please do not waste time there sitting and thinking for recollecting everything. You just keep on writing. Okay, so use more flow charts. So draw flow charts and diagrams. Okay, do not write it in a paragraph manner. Okay, do not write in a paragraph manner. So you use points. So write it as a point wise. Okay, start every question with an introduction. So maximum in paper 2, 3 and 4 you will be writing the etiology. If any question is asked, you have to write this etiology, pathogenesis for infectious disease and all, clinical features, their diagnosis, their differential diagnosis, treatment and prevention. Okay, this will be your basic pattern. Okay, So you have to fill all the topics. So if they are asking any question regarding ventilatory equipments like CPAP, HFOV, so you start with an introduction, write its indications. If there is any types, write any types. If you remember, write its advantages, disadvantages, contraindications, and if there is any recent changes or recent guidelines. Okay. For developmental pediatric questions like ADHD, autism spectrum disorder, for such type of questions, kindly write DSM-5 criteria. So study DSM-5 criteria and write it. Okay. For development pediatrics, so this will be must. So I have already mentioned in the our Telegram group. For vaccinological questions, you will be writing an introduction, epidemiology, and you have to write about the vaccine, whether it is live vaccine, killed vaccine, subunit 1 or conjugate polysaccharide, about that, storage, dosage, age group, and from which age you will be giving, how many doses you should give, catch up vaccine when you can give, so like that. Then you write it about its efficacy, its side effects, and its contraindication. These are the points you have to write it in if they ask question regarding vaccinology. Okay, so these are some important and basic points I have mentioned here. So please do your exams well. I know all have done your preparation to the best level as everybody can. So all the best for your exams. Please do not get panic. Relax and write. Please manage your time alone properly. Everything will come in its order. Okay, all the best. Do your exams well. Thank you. I hope my past videos, everything would be helpful for your exams. Thank you.